main difference between an open day and an experience day is that an experience day is so much more personal to you. You can meet all of your future lecturers and your future course mates and really picture yourself living here.
A really personal experience that I had here really shaped my decision.
The most beneficial part about attending Experience Day for me was getting to know my course even more through the taster lectures, the workshops, things like that, and really getting a sense of what it'd be like to be a student in it.
It really gave me a better idea of what the life of students in Nottingham is really all about.
The best part of my day was going on a campus tour, as I really loved walking around and just seeing all of the photos online come to life.
It's hard to really appreciate what the campus looks like in person. One of the biggest things for me was really how green it was. Like, you're on a big park.
Attending an experience day really helped me shape my decision because I was able to talk to all of the students that were currently here and get all my questions answered.
I recommend coming to an experience day as I think it's the best way to ask questions and find out what life at the University of Nottingham is really like.